guys, myself HRUDAY and I'm back with a new DIY project video. And today in this video I'll be showing you to make a LED nameplate. So let's get started. The materials required for this DIY project is LED, wire, A4 sheet, soldering iron and soldering lead, two-sided tape, plastic container lid, USB cable, scissor, sketch and mathematical compass. So first we will be measuring the radius of this container cap. And now let's draw the circle on the A4 sheet. Guys, as you can see here, our channel logo is just finished. So now let's proceed further in our project. Powering this LED using a USB cable. So guys, we are using these two cardboard pieces in order to provide a structure for our LED. So guys, I have just finished connecting the USB cable to the power supply, and now let me turn on the light. Here it is, our USB powered LED nameplate. Here is our channel logo, DIY with HRUDAY, and our channel slogan being simple. It is connected to the power supply with this charger. And here is our LED, and this is the supporting structure. As you can see, this is our LED nameplate, and when we turn on the power supply, it glows and our logo just appears. If you turn off, it vanishes. That was it guys, today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then like the video, comment on the video, share it with your friends, and also do subscribe to my channel for watching more videos. And until then, this is your buddy HRUDAY signing out.